Welcome to iFX EXPO app. In this video, we will guide you through the Exhibitors Center, where you will be able to update your company profile, add and showcase your products, network with attendees, and generate leads before, during, and after the show. On the left, click on Company Profile. Here you can personalize your company profile. Please note that the more information you add to your company profile, the better it will perform. A detailed profile increases your visibility, attractiveness, and searchability on the exhibitor list. Additionally, since the platform is powered by AI, providing more detailed information helps the AI recommend your booth more effectively to the right audience. Once you've completed the necessary details for your booth, you can upload documents and links, such as product catalogs, press releases, as well as upload individual products. These will appear on the main product page of the event platform. Be sure to review your product's images, descriptions, and information. As mentioned earlier, the more detailed your profile and product information, the better your booth will stand out. In the Team Members section, you can manage and view the members of your team who have access to your company's stand. This is also where you control team visibility and the sharing of contacts. The Leads Board section provides a comprehensive view of your booth's performance. You can track your team's connections, recent virtual stand visits, and other key metrics, such as company bookmarks and meetings. You can also download reports with valuable insights about your participation and leads. In the Meetings section, you can view all meeting requests sent to your company and filter them by status or team member. From here, you can respond to pending requests by accepting or declining them. By clicking on a specific meeting, you can see more details, assign team members to attend, join a virtual meeting, or cancel it if needed. Once you have completed setting up your profile, you're all set to go. You can start networking with participants by clicking on the Network button at the bottom. This will take you to the main attendee page where you can send connection requests by clicking the Connect button on the right, or book a meeting directly from the main page, or by clicking on their profile to explore more details. Thank you for watching.